I wonder what should we do for Lil'Cutie today?
I don't know. I got no ideas at all.
Wait, I got an idea. We should make some cookies for her.
Best idea, sis. Let's begin making them.
Later!
Alright, I got the recipe in my hand. We need 1 cup of soft butter, 1 cup of white sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of hot water, half teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and 1 cup chopped walnuts.
Alright, we got everything in our heads. Let's begin.
After every fit has been completed, including cooling them off.
Alright then, we have finished them. Let's now give them to Lil'Cutie.
Hey Lil'Cutie, we have something for you.
Really? What is it? We baked you some fresh baked cookies for you.
www. That was so nice of you guys. Thanks.
No problem. Now let's eat them together.